What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to easily mine Ethereum with just a few clicks using the unmineable miner software. The first step before we start mining is to secure an Ethereum wallet. There are many places to obtain an Ethereum wallet. I'm going to use Coinbase for this tutorial. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, you can use my referral link in the video description, and if you trade up to $100, we both get $10 for free, which puts $10 of free money in your pocket and helps support the channel. The next step is to open up our downloads folder and create a new folder. We'll just call it unmineable. Next, open up your start menu and go to your Windows security settings. Go to virus and threat protection. Scroll down and go to manage settings. Scroll down again and go to exclusions and click on add or remove exclusions. Then click add an exclusion and click on folder. And we're just going to browse to the download section and click on the unmineable folder we just created. Select it. Click yes when prompted. This adds a Windows security exclusion to the folder we just created, so that way the software we download doesn't get flagged as malware even though it isn't. Next, we'll go to the unmineable download page. I have a direct link in the video description. Once you click on it and land on this page, you can click on the download tab, right click and open up the packed version in a new tab. Browse to the download section and click on the folder we just created, and then save the application within it. Once downloaded, click on show in folder, right click and extract it. Once extracted, simply run the program by double clicking on it. Click continue. Here you can select either GPU or CPU. The most profitable way to mine Ethereum is definitely going to be with your GPU, but I'll also show you how to mine with your CPU if you don't have a high-end GPU available or any GPU available. So click on GPU and click next. In this drop-down menu, we're going to type in Ethereum, and then here we're going to put in our wallet address from Coinbase. So we're going to go to our portfolio, go to Ethereum, and click on the wallet tab, then click on receive and copy your wallet address. Then we'll press Ctrl V to paste it in here and click start. And just like that, we're already starting to mine. If we click on this gearhead and go to the advanced settings, you want to make sure you're on the high intensity mining unless you're gaming or doing something else. Then go to low intensity. Then you also want to make sure you're on ETH hash and not Ethereum Classic. If you end up having to make any changes, then click save and restart. After you give it a couple minutes to ramp up, you'll notice your hash rate start to give you an actual number. And something to note is that your payment will automatically be sent to you once you reach the threshold. For Ethereum, it looks like it's 0.016 ETH for the payout. If you click on this website button, it'll open up a dashboard where you can view your balance, select automatic payout, view your referral link, then also view your mining history once you've mined a little bit. If you don't have a good GPU that you can mine with your CPU as well. We'll just go back and click back again and select CPU. Click next. Ethereum and our wallet address is still saved, so we'll just click start. And just like that, we're mining with our CPU. This is actually mining Monero, I believe, but paying you in Ethereum. A quick tip, while you're mining, you can go to your task manager and click on the performance tab, so that way you can check your CPU and GPU utilization to make sure you're mining. That's all I got for this video. Hopefully you got the unmineable miner set up and you're mining Ethereum successfully. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Otherwise, like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.